Hey there, YouTube and world, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. So as you can see, I just unboxed a GPS navigator meant for your car. So this GPS navigator was actually sent to me by the Chinese manufacturer of this GPS navigator. Alright, so does that mean this video is sponsored? Well, think of it like, a free product review instead of being sponsored, because I'm not getting any money. I just got the product for free. That's not bad, for a small YouTuber getting products for free. Products such as this, I'm slowly stepping it up and I'm getting better and better products, more and more expensive products. So as your YouTube channel grows, your product gets more and more expensive. That's how it is. Alright, so over here we've got a GPS navigator, a car charger, a mini USB cable, user manual, car bracket. Alright, so the effect figure below is subject to the material object. Okay, so this thing actually explains how this GPS navigator works. So I don't know if you have seen a video of mine where I actually convert my Kindle Fire into a GPS navigator. So this is my Kindle Fire. Okay, it doesn't have any juice left in it, so I need to charge it. So anyways, I'll put a link of that video here. It's gonna pop up. In that video I explained how I converted this worthless Amazon Fire HD tablet, which is still pretty much worthless, as you can see, no power, into a GPS navigator using my mobile phone. Alright, so what was happening is this tablet was actually using my mobile phone as a hotspot, and it was getting the internet from the mobile phone. And what was happening is I was getting a huge amount of data consumption, which led to a massive amount of internet bill from my mobile phone. So I had to stop using it. So I just use my mobile phone. I was actually trying to use this Fire tablet so that I get a bigger screen when I'm navigating. At first it looks cool, but since this is not working, the Fire tablet, let's put it aside. So this is a pretty good solution. This is for the car, your car, and all you have to do is go to the navigation, and it's going to navigate for you. Put a destination. Okay, so let's put something here. Okay, so since we just started that up, it's gonna go through a lot of settings, and it's gonna appear a little bit slow, but eventually it's gonna work as it should. Let's try to look, or let's try to find Walmart. Okay, so like I said, I just started it, and I'm learning as I'm pressing on all these. I think it needs to set up. So let's put in Jacksonville. Florida. Okay. I don't know why it's not finding the United States. I think it's actually set to Canada. So I'm just trying to figure out, instead of reading the manual, this is what I do. I just try to figure out how it works. And I think I know what I'm doing. So yeah, so I think I'll try to figure out, at least how to get onto the map, so I can show you guys how the map works, the navigation. So hold on, let me check the manual.